Welcome to our informative video on how to write a CDR, a Competency Demonstration Report for Engineers Australia for civil engineers. In this video, we will be discussing the key elements that should be included in your CDR as well as tips and tricks for making sure your report stands out. First, let's start with a brief overview of what the CDR is and why it's important. The CDR is a document that is required by Engineer Australia for engineers who wish to migrate to Australia. It's a way for Engineer Australia to assess your competency and determine whether you meet the standards required to work as an engineer in Australia. The key elements that should be included in your CDR are a summary of your engineering education and experience, a detailed description of your engineering projects, including your role and responsibilities, an evaluation of your engineering skills and competencies, a discussion of any continuing professional development activities you've undertaken. When writing your CDR, it's important to keep in mind a few key tips and tricks. Make sure your report is well organized and easy to read. Use specific examples and detailed descriptions to demonstrate your competency. Tailor your report to the specific requirements of Engineer Australia. Use simple language and avoid using jargon. Proofread your report multiple times to ensure there are no errors. Writing a CDR for Engineers Australia can be a daunting task, but with a little bit of planning and effort, you can create a report that effectively demonstrates your competency as a civil engineer. Remember to focus on the key elements, use specific examples, and tailor your report to the specific requirements of Engineers Australia. Good luck with your CDR. Thank you for watching our informative video on how to write a CDR for Engineers Australia for civil engineers. We hope that this video has provided you with valuable information and tips to help you create a successful CDR. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on this video. Your support helps us to continue creating valuable content for you. Thanks for watching and good luck with your CDR.